What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In the previous video, I went about thin setting and waterproofing the entire shower and adding tile to the niche and shower floor. In today's video, we're going to be applying tile to our shower walls and also accidentally breaking some tile. And finally, adding some lights in our ceiling shower. I want to know from you, what type of videos do you want? Commentary and time-lapse or just regular time-lapse? Let me know what you guys think. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the best technique that I learned so you don't have to wipe off excessive thin set in between your tile. So what you're going to do is use your index and middle finger and go around the perimeter of the tile and then just apply your tile to the wall. I wish I would have known about this sooner because you'll see I clearly learned this method halfway through doing my tiling process. Alright, before you get started, make sure that you create a ledger board. So right now I got my laser level. First you create a line inside the perimeter of your shower. Then I'm going to use that line to create a ledger board, which you can use 2x4s or some type of material to make sure that you're holding up this tile properly. Use whatever you got. In my case, I have me some extra PVC trim, so yeah. Now it's finally on to the tiling process. First, you want to start with the largest wall. Then after that, you can start tiling those smaller walls. Make sure that you have all your materials, some tape, your spacer, your trowel, your thin set, a water bucket, a sponge so you can wipe up your excess thin set, a tile cutter, and a grinder. So what you're doing is applying thin set to the waterproofing wall and also thin set to your tile. You're going to use the teeth of the trowel to go right over the thin set that's on the wall and grab your tile. You're going to push that up against the wall and it's going to adhere together. It's not that difficult, so you guys should be able to do this. Most people might be scared of this process, but the towel will hold up with the mortar onto the wall. So you don't really have to worry that, oh, this tile is going to fall. You got to make sure that you put enough back butter on your tile to apply it to the wall. Then from there, it's just rinse and repeat. So enjoy the process. Alright guys, so we got some progress going on in this shower. Yes, shower. So obviously we got the lights up now, yo. 1, 2, and then this is going to be a rain shower. Rain shower. And then shower head, handheld shower. So you guys see, like, I got some cardboard, obviously. Cardboard. I'm be cutting some marble pieces, put it on top. I call this the top plate, the side plate, and then the step plate. Yeah. Definitely not the right terms, guys, so don't quote me on that or anything. And then we're also going to be putting marble inside of here, inside this niche area. But yeah, guys, we got some progress going. It's getting there. It's looking like an actual master bathroom shower situation, so I'm proud of it, of what we got. And yeah, thank you all for watching. In the next video, we're going to be doing some marble and some more tiling. So make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment in the comment section. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.